Yes, love. Ah,
I ordered!
wow, you order from where?
Of course, from Empress Palace.
Seafood?
How you know?
This is my favorite, I know.
Yes.
You know, right?
Oo.
Especially from Empress Palace, my favorite. I bring it later.
No need na.
Oh.
Because this is complete package.
Ah, okay.
Yes, we will make boodle pie cake.
Wow.
Oh, di ba?
Let's
Perfect in
eat.
the table.
I'm too much hungry.
Oh, ayan.
Mm.
Ito na.
Ah.
Oh, wait
I
lang.
will taste.
Excited ka naman. Mamaya na. We need to eat first before you taste.
Okay. Ah.
Tcharam!
Wow.
Ang mahiwagang bucket. Sarap mo.
My favorite.
Wait,
Yes.
there's more.
What?
The gloves.
Yes, Budol Fight. My favorite from Empress Palace.
Uy, sana all!
The rice?
Of course.
Oh, okay. Rice.
Ako na ha. I will open this now.
Okay. I'll put it here, huh? Here?
Ay, sarap.
Here?
Yes.
Okay. Rice.
Ayan, rice.
Mm.
Wait! I
Yeah.
am the one will choose ulam for you.
Okay, okay.
Diba?
Yes.
Sweet.
Oh.
Like that. Uy! Lobster! But, diba I'm special?
Yes.
So the lobster is for me na lang.
Ah, okay.
Lobster is for me.
Mm.
For you,
Mm.
shrimp.
Yes, yes.
Ay! Diba you're allergy in the shrimp?
Ah, yeah.
Huwag ka na mag-shrimp. Ako na lang yung shrimp. What? Kasi allergy ka dyan eh.
Mm.
Ako nang bahala sa shrimp. Ha? And crabs.
Oh, yes. You know already.
But you know, you don't know how to remove the skin.
Ah, okay.
No?
Yes.
Me? Perfect.
Ah, okay.
Yes. So for the crabs, for me na lang. Ayan, sa akin yung crabs. Oo, I will give you. Ayan, okay, perfect.
Mm.
Kasi, you know the crabs. You need to eat like little like that.
Yeah.
And this one,
Of course.
mussel.
Muscle.
But you're not eating mussel eh, di ba? I remember, you told me you're not eating mussel. No?
Yes.
Okay. Sa akin na lang yan. You're not eating mussel, man.
What else?
Ayan. Oh! Crab balls. No. But the crabs, I think this is not good for the,
For?
blood pressure, your high blood.
Ah,
Diba?
okay. Ah, yeah.
You know, I want you to be safe.
Yes.
So, the crab balls is for me na lang. Because for me, I'm young.
Mm.
I can eat all the crab balls here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Crab balls, mussel. Shrimp. Okay.
What else?
Oh, this one, crabs.
Crabs. Ah, okay.
Oh, crabs. Oh, this one, crabs. Crab balls. Ay, perfect! They have corn.
Yes.
They have corn.
Mm.
This is my favorite thing.
Yes, also?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Mm.
this is my favorite, the corn.
Ah, okay.
Sa akin na lang to, ha?
Oh.
Because, I'm planning to, make diet. So, maybe I will just eat the corn. Ayan.
Ano?
Perfect.
Finish.
This one for you.
What for me?
Sauce.
Ayaw,
This is allowed for you. Yan. Oh, di ba? Sauce.
Only sauce?
Oo.
Okay.
Ayan, sauce. Oh!
Mm.
Don't worry. There's extra sauce.
Ah, okay.
Enjoy.